Today's episode, Fast Food Keto Rescue, Mexican. This is part 4 of a series of how to eat in fast food restaurants when you're out of the house. Burrito Bowl, hold the carbs. Today is Mexican Food Day, woohoo! Personally, I love Mexican and so do millions of others. But with our super duper keen keto eyesight, we can see problems immediately. And not just the corn chips. A burrito wrap can have around 300 calories, which is not a big deal because we don't count calories so much as ratios in keto. But a single burrito wrap has up to 50 grams of carbs. Yikes. We're trying to keep our carbs under 25, but really 20 if we can per day. So let's build our low-carb keto bowl. For the base, forget the rice. Start on the bottom with a low-carb choice like leafy greens, then add in your protein and fat choices. Beans, tortilla chips, sweet dressings, and corn, not on the menu, sorry. Go with high-fat, low-carb options like sliced avocado, guacamole, salsa, onions, cheese, sautéed veggies, and fresh herbs. Here are some specific burrito bowls to keep your body in the happy keto zone. Moe's Southwestern Grill. Burrito bowl with pork carnitas, grilled peppers, sour cream, cheese, and guacamole. And again, no rice or beans. This will get you 12 grams of carbs, 394 calories, 30 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein. Taco Bell. Cantina Power Steak Bowl with extra guac. 8 grams of carbs, 310 calories, 23 grams of fat, 20 grams of protein, and again, hold the rice and beans. Chipotle Steak Burrito Bowl with lettuce, salsa, sour cream, and cheese. That's 6 grams of carbs, 400 on calories, 23 grams of fat, 29 grams of protein. Chipotle Chicken Burrito Bowl. This is with cheese, guacamole, and romaine lettuce. No rice or beans, obviously. This will give you 10 grams of carbs, 525 calories, 37 grams of fat, 40 grams of protein. Any of these will work. As you notice, these meals are slightly higher in carbs than the meals from like Burger King and several of the other restaurants, but they work, they're fine. Good luck out there in the world. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.